Okay, so hello guys. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you. Now let us solve 5 Roman 3. So this is the question of 5 Roman 3 and I have written it on the board. You can see that is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. It is told to prove. That means this one is our LHS and this one is our RHS. So let us solve LHS and prove the RHS. Now tan theta, we can write tan theta, we know tan theta is sin theta by cos theta divided 1 minus cot theta. 1 minus cot theta. So 1 minus cot theta, we can write cot theta is cos theta minus sin theta plus here cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta can be written sin theta by cos theta. So I have converted tan and cot with respect to sin and cos. I have converted this. Now see, if we solve sin theta by cos theta, let it be same. Cos theta, let us solve the denominator. Denominator we have 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, if we take sin theta as a LCM, then we will get sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly here also numerator part will be same, that is cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta cos theta. So here we will get cos theta as the denominator, cos theta, and here we will get cos theta minus sin theta. Now see, here after solving this, the denominator, as it is in division, this denominator will be multiplied with the numerator. That means sin theta will be multiplied by sin theta. That means we will get sin square theta divided by this denominator will be multiplied with the numerator because we are dividing this. That means this denominator will be multiplied with the numerator. So here we will get cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This we will get, plus similarly in this side also we will see that cos theta will multiply by cos theta, that is we will get cos square theta divided by sin theta will be multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta this we will get. Now see very carefully, here every student do mistake. What mistake they do? Here say cos and sin, these are alone, they are all fine, but sin theta minus cos theta, here sin is positive but here sin is negative. Here cos is negative but here cos is positive. That means we have to make these two same. That means see, if I have to make sin theta positive and cos theta negative, here also you see sin theta is positive and cos theta is negative. That's why you are telling sin theta minus cos theta. So here cos theta minus sin theta. Here we are seeing sin theta and in multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta. So here if we take minus as common, that means if here we take minus, then this cos theta will be negative and this sin theta will be positive. That means this is same, sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta. Now as we have taken here negative, so this plus and minus will combine each other and it will give us negative, and this part can be written as sin theta minus cos theta. See, now these two is same. Sin theta minus cos theta and here sin theta minus cos theta. So now let us take the LCM of the denominator. Denominator we have, denominator will get sin theta cos theta multiply sin theta minus cos theta. Now here see cos theta sin minus cos theta, this and this will cut, So sine theta multiplied by sine square theta, then this will give sine cube theta. Minus similarly here we will get cos cube theta. So see here a cube minus b cube, we know the formula a cube minus b cube. It is a formula that is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This one is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Now I am applying this one. See here a cube minus b cube, so here a is sine theta and b is cos theta. So here a minus b, that means sine theta minus cos theta, and a square, that means sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta minus sine theta cos theta. This we will get divided by, we have sine theta cos theta and here sine theta minus cos theta. Now see sine theta minus cos theta, this part sine theta minus cos theta, and here also sine theta minus cos theta, these two will cancel, and here sine square theta plus cos square theta, we know the identity, that is equals to 1. So we will get 1 plus sine theta cos theta, sine theta cos theta divided by sine theta cos theta. This we are getting. Now see, from here we can say that after means expanding it, we can say that 1 by sine theta multiply 1 by cos theta plus sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta. So these two will cancel, that means we will get, here we will get 1, that means 1 plus this 1 plus we will get 1 by cos is sec theta and 1 by sine is cosec theta, multiplied by cosec theta. This is only our required solution, and we have proved also to our RHS. See, our RHS is 1 plus sec theta cos theta, and here also our RHS is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So this one is our RHS, hence it is proved. So 5 Roman 4, it tells that 1 plus sec a by sec a is equals to sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So see, it is given that solve LHS and RHS separately and then you have to prove it. So let this is our LHS and this one is our RHS. So let me solve LHS first. So write here LHS. So LHS is equals to 1 plus sec a by sec a. So this means 1 plus sec a, this can be written as 1 plus 1 by cos a divided by sec a can be written by 1 by cos a again. Now from here we will get cos a as a denominator, cos a, and here cos a plus 1 divided by 1 by cos a. So this means, see here 1 cos a plus 1, if I write this like 1 plus cos a, this is same divided by cos a, and if multiply 1 by cos a, so this will multiply with this cos a, and this will cut. That means our LHS we are getting 1 plus cos a. Now let's see RHS. So RHS we have sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So sine square a by 1 minus cos a. So sine square a means 1 minus cos square a, by the identity we can say, and 1 minus cos a. This means, see a square minus b square, we can tell that 1 is in this form of square, so a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? It is a plus b and a minus b. That means 1 plus cos A, and A minus B, that means 1 minus cos A. This will be divided by 1 minus cos A. Now see, 1 minus cos A and 1 minus cos A will be cancelled. We will get 1 plus cos A. Hence LHS equals to RHS proved.